I wouldn't put any external links because I wouldn't jeopardize hurting the channel early on before you even have any traction.
All right, guys, we're calling an audible right here. Right now, we're supposed to be inside doing the podcast, but it was such a nice day.
Too beautiful out.
It's too beautiful. We're out here by the pool, and we said, you know what? Let's just call an audible. You know why, Scotty?
Because we can.
Because we can, that's right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over here to the table, the creator's lunch table today. There it is. There's our little creator's lunch table. And, wow, that sun is hot. But we're gonna be over there. And I want you guys to know that when you're doing videos, there's no rules for you. You can do whatever you want. So let's get into the episode. So here's the deal. Today's podcast episode, we are going to be answering another voicemail from one of our subscribers. And if you would like to ask us a question for the Creator's Lunch Table, and you want to be part of the Creator's Lunch Table where we help small channels grow on YouTube, how can they do it, Scotty?
All you gotta do is go to speakpipe.com/live video school and send us a message. You only get 90 seconds, not a second more. So make sure you get all that information that you want to share with us. That way we can shout out your channel too. So make sure you put your name in there as well while you ask.
No
that
charge,
question.
by the way.
Yeah,
We're not like any of those other YouTubers out there charging for shout outs. Come on.
All right, let's get into the message now.
All right.
That we got here from Ian. This is coming in from Ian.
All right.
Hello, my name is Ian Worrell. My YouTube channel is The Gray Haired Writer. My question is, at what point, as in the number of subscribers, is it okay to put external links to my books and possibly other things in the description of my videos without worrying about whether or not YouTube will not show my videos to other people or anything like that? I was just wondering about that because I read that they will sometimes try to suppress videos that have external links in them. Anyway, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, cool.
Awesome. Can I dive into this one early on? You gonna let me go first?
Go, man.
Usually you go first. I'm gonna take.
I know. I'm
take
chomping.
the reins right now.
I'm
ready.
chomping at the bit, but,
I'm ready.
But go ahead. I'm curious to hear your thoughts.
I'll say this with the whole. I'm not looking at subscribers at all when I'm thinking for this specific thing of like adding external links and stuff like that. I don't think it's a matter of how many subscribers you have. I think it's more about how old is your channel. If it's like a very new channel, yes, YouTube's not gonna like links because it looks like it's like a fraudulent account where it's just spamming people, right? Like, oh, just click on here so that way we can, get money or get people to go to this website or whatever, right? But if you have content on there, and when I say content, I don't mean 2 videos. Like if you have, I would say at least 10 videos on that channel, no matter how old the channel is. If you have at least 10 videos that aren't shorts, that aren't posted on one day, that's, maybe the channel's a month old, right? And you have 10 videos, after that, then I would start putting those external links in there. I also would kind of, even past that, I might even wait until we start getting some regular views. Once our videos get regular views, maybe 100 views a video, and I'm like, okay, YouTube's at least pushing it a little bit. I can put those links in the description. It shouldn't affect my channel at all. But if it's a new channel, like you're saying, it's 2 weeks old and you have 2 videos up, I wouldn't put any external links because I wouldn't jeopardize hurting the channel early on before you even have any traction.
Yeah, no, I think there's definitely a wait period on a newer channel. I think there's a probation period or a sandbox, as they call it. And I think that's what we did in the beginning. We were like, we're not putting any links in there at all. And we might have waited like a month or 2.
Yeah.
I forget how long, but it was a minute,
as
the kids say nowadays. I don't get that, but
it's
a minute,
sad, though.
a minute, like, oh, it's been a minute since I saw you. It's like that means a long time. No, it was a minute. That's 60 seconds.
It's always the opposite.
It's weird. Anyway, that's this new kid generation. But I would say here's something I would be doing, and I don't know what kind of books you're selling. Are they fiction books? Are they educational books? Even if they were fiction, I would give people. Let's go down the road of like you're an author of fiction. Give away a free chapter. Put in the comments, I don't know, call it something, chapter 1.
Yeah.
Something like that, right? And then you would send a link in the comments over to them, and that would build a email list, which we've done, and we actually missed it in the last episode, by the way.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay. But, I mean, a great example would be this, okay? We have 2 lead magnets, we call them, and this is a way for you to be able to get people to comment, but also to interact with them, but also to be able to send a link to them by them requesting it. So for us, one of the big things that we've been able to do on this channel is grow pretty quickly by focusing on outlier titles.
Yep.
And we put together a list, 10 of our top outlier titles, and we give them away for free. And if you would like to see how this works, and if you'd like to get those for free, just comment hooks, all right? Hooks in the comments, and we will see it, and then we will send you the link to the page where you can access these 10 titles.
Yep.
You would do the same thing for a fiction book if you have a chapter that you're going to give away, the first chapter free.
Yeah. Yep.
Or if it's a how-to book, you're going to create something that is related to that.
Yeah.
So for us, we have a workshop that we do. It's called Titles to Views.
Yep.
It's very inexpensive, by the way, too, and it'll be in the description. We will link that up.
Yep.
But we did like a 3-hour workshop
Yeah.
where we taught the process of finding outlier titles. But this thing that we're giving away for free, it's 100% related to that. So it's a very easy sale on the back end of that as well.
Yeah.
So I would say if you right now are thinking, well, I want people to go to buy my book, let's back up a little bit. How can we get people on an email list that we know that are interested in our books?
Yeah.
And how can we give them something for free before we ask them to buy something?
Yeah, because you want to give them some sort of value, especially as a newer channel. Before you say, come buy my book, you know, why should I buy? Who are you? I don't know anything about you. But then if you have a free resource for it, you know, like you said, maybe the first chapter's free or the whatever, you come up with something that, again, works around your niche. Like for us, it's the hooks or the 100K. Like, people are going to naturally come in, and whether they know you or not, they're going to be like, okay, let me learn a little bit about it. It's free. It's not like I have to pay anything out of pocket. And then down the road, you could have a potential client, customer, whatever,
100%.
because you've built up, you know, that relationship with them.
Yeah, and that's the thing I would do before I would drop any links.
Yeah.
Is do that, because you're not putting anything in the front part of the video, meaning like when you're posting it and you're putting your description together, you're not putting that stuff in there.
Yep.
Now you could put in there, if you would like a free chapter of my book, just comment chapter.
Yeah.
Something like that, something simple.
Yep.
Or if it's something that you're teaching people how to do beekeeping, comment Hive, and I will send you my Get Started Quick Guide for free. So you're not putting a link in there, you're asking them to put a comment in there, and then from there, what happened?
You get a little, I don't even know what
From
it
the
is.
trees out here.
Leave up there.
Yeah. So that's what I would do with that. I would just hold off on a newer channel, not so much how many subscribers you had, like you said. I think that's a great point that you brought up. So that's what we would do for that. If you guys would like to, well, first off, if you guys got value from this, hit that like button.
Oh, yeah, smash the like button.
Give us a little love out by the pool here. Come on over to the Creators Lunch Table, hang out with us. But if you would like to have one of your questions answered, voicemail, how do they do it?
Go to speakpipe.com/live video school. Again, that's speakpipe.com/live video school.
All right, guys. So, as always, remember, we're here for you.
We believe in you.
We're rooting for you.
But you have to.
You must say it with me, say it loud, say it proud, take action. Woo! All right.
Time out. Okay, we're at the end of the episode now.
Yeah.
My back is burning. Look I had to start leaning in because the sun is, the sun's starting to hit me. This would have been bad for the video guys. So if you notice, go back in the video and just watch me like creep slow.
You're like
more
this 'cause you're getting hot.
I'm getting hot, but I didn't want this.
Right. No, you don't want that. Look at the lighting.
I would have messed up the video.
Look at the lighting.
So I said I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna
I know you started getting closer.
lean up there.
I know it.
So
at this part of this isn't about, for this part, you are at the Creators Lunch Table after everyone else left, and we're gonna know now that you're a true hardcore Creators Lunch Table addict. Like, you can't get enough. If we were at the lunch table and we're like, man, we just want to keep talking about this stuff, we'd be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like you get, except you get it for lunch, but it's like you get the extra recess, right? You're getting extra recess right now, but you're getting extra lunch table time.
Yeah. So to let us know that you are on the inside of the creator's lunch table and you've made it this far, we've got a keyword for you to put in the comments to let us know. And I've got it.
I was hoping I didn't have
I've
one.
got one. It's really simple. Pool.
How'd you come up with that one?
Right behind us. Pool. Say pool in the comments and we'll know that you're part of the Creators Lunch Table Insiders group.
Yeah.
And you can do that. And we're going to wrap this up so Scotty's back doesn't catch fire.
Yeah, I'm burning right now.
All right. Take care, guys. Take action.